Hi, good afternoon. This is Jagadish. I came from Andhra. I did my graduation in SciTech Siddharth Institute of Engineering and Technology and specialized in mechanical engineering. Overall CGPA in my graduation is 69.7%, and I came here at Pyspiders after completion of my graduation, and I took here Python development, and science sir teach me a lot in coding and how to easy way to crack the codings and all. And coming to SQL, Rohan sir, I have ever seen the type of faculty. He was amazing faculty in SQL, and I would like to thank aptitude Arun sir, and I would like to thank Nishmita ma'am, and again I would like to thank Kirtana ma'am. And I placed in Tech Vision company. Location is Vizag, and finally I thank to Pi Spider whole team. Thanks, thank you.